Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Target 100 in Mathematics by Shivesh Kumar Singh. And today I am going to talk about very important topic of quadratic function, which is factorization of a quadratic polynomial by using the splitting the middle term. Okay. So please try to understand the procedure because it's very important for you. Okay. Now let's start this. What we are going to do, I will tell you the procedure with the help of one example. Okay. See, first condition I am taking here, when x square will have the coefficient. I have told you before also that the general polynomial, general quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. It is the general quadratic equation. So, for example, suppose question is 2x square plus 5x minus 3 is equal to 0. Like this question we got, and we have to factorize it by splitting the middle term. So what you will do here, the first step is first multiply leading coefficient with the constant term. So leading coefficient means coefficient of x square, so that is 2. 2 multiplied by 3, it will be equal to 6. Now what is the second step? We have to find all the pair of factors with 6 of the 6. Okay, like first pair can be 1 and 6 because 1 multiplied 6 is 6. Then we can have 2 multiply 3 also. Okay, this procedure will help you when you are at the beginning stage of this factorization process. Okay, but when you are completed, when you are done with this procedure completely, then you can think about the number directly. So after finding the pair of the numbers, pair of the factors, what you have to do here, you have to choose that pair for which the subtraction, why subtraction? Because the constant term is negative. So you have to choose that pair. When you subtract the numbers of those pair, then you must get the middle number. For example, if you take 2 and 3, so 2 multiply 3 is 6, it is okay. But if you subtract, then 3 minus 2 will be equal to 1. But we want here 5 because middle number is 5. So what pair we are going to take here? Yes, we will take 1 and 6. We will not consider this pair. Okay. So here in place of 5, you can write 6 minus 1 in the bracket times x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now, what we will do? We will expand this bracket by using the distributive property. So it will be 6x minus x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now you see, from first two terms, firstly we focus on the number. From 2 and 6, what number you can take common? 2. From x square and x, what you will take common? X times, it will be x plus 3. Okay, see my dear students, taking common means just you need to divide each term by the common number. For example, 2x square divided by 2x. So what you will get? X. Then 6x divided by 2x. What you will get? 3. Okay, so like this, taking common means it is simply a division process. Now, from these two terms you can see nothing is common except minus 1. So minus 1 can be taken common. So it will be x plus 3 equals to 0. Now x plus 3 can be taken common from the complete equation, and in the another bracket you will get 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is the factorization of this thing, and if you have to solve this equation, then you can simplify it further by putting x plus 3 is equal to 0 or 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Why is it so? Because multiplication of two numbers can be equal to 0 when at least one of them is equal to 0. So either x will be equal to minus 3 or x will be equal to 1 over 2. Okay, so this is the step when you will have to solve the quadratic equation. But if you have to factorize it, then only up to this step will be the answer. Okay, now let's talk about another example. This was related with the subtraction. Now say for example we have x square plus 8x plus you can say 12 is equal to 0. Now you see here coefficient of x square is 1. So 1 multiply 12, it will be equal to 12. Now let's talk about all possible factors of 12. So first pair will be 1 and 12. Second pair will be 2 and 6. Third pair can be 3 and 4 also. Okay, I think we will have only this much pair. Now, you can see last constant term is plus, positive. So what you will do? You will choose that pair where addition of the numbers is equal to the middle number, means 8. So if we choose 1 and 12, so 1 plus 12 will be 13. If we choose 3 and 4, then 3 plus 4 will be 7. So if we choose 2 and 6, then 2 plus 6 will be 8 and 2 multiply 6 will be 12. So this is our required pair. So x square plus, in place of 8 we will write 6 plus 2 plus times x plus 12 is equal to 0, means x square, again distributive property. So 6x plus 2x plus 12 is equal to 0. Now x can be taken common, it will be x plus 6. From here you see, from 2 and 12, 2 can be taken common. So again you will get x plus 6 is equal to 0, means it will be x plus 6 times x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x will be equal to negative 6 or x will be equal to negative 2. Like this, you can solve so many questions of factorization. So I am sure you have understood the procedure, and if you think that such videos will help you to increase your knowledge to perform better in the exams, then please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.